YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are on a roll, guys. Prime Day is fast approaching. Definitely check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on the link, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, they'll ship it to you fast. So definitely take advantage. They got the Prime Day sales going on now, so you might want to get them before they're gone. And we got one more to go today. We got another box in here. Oh boy. Oh boy. What is this? Oh no. Oh. Utility cart chariot. Oh boy. You can put a lot of stuff like detailing for cars, pretty much anything, tools, maybe food. You never know. It's whatever you want to use it for. Oh, something fell. It's weird. Hearing things. Oh boy. Alright, we got something to put together. Let's see how it works. Interesting. Small box. Go. You can put your gardening tools, stuff like that, or maybe in the shop. Business, carry some stuff around, laptops, phones, you never know. Got some brackets to put together. Put these on the ground so I can get ready. Show you guys how much fun this is going to be. But if you're interested in something like this, definitely check them out. Got the wheels of steel. Oh yeah. We got some goodies in this bag, looks like. Probably the tools, nuts and bolts and stuff. Got garbage here. Get rid of that. At least we got the manual. We got some trays. Oh boy. Got some trays right here. Utility cart. I'm not sure who this is from. But like I said, I'll leave it in the description. And once you click the link, you'll see where it's coming from. That's a pretty good sized cart to store some things in it. Oh man, this is going to be a fun one. A lot of brackets and stuff. Another set. Alright guys, next time you'll see me, we'll be rolling in the cart. So, pretty cool so far. Got the tools, gotta get the manual, and be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, with a few screws left. We got the extras right there, just the 3 bolts. And here it is. It moves. Oops, hold on. Put a lot of stuff, like I said, car detailing, baby stuff, your arts and crafts. You never know. Especially for small business. Be perfect. Here we go. At the top. Got room for your tablets, your phone, battery packs, cameras. Here we go. It does glide on a carpet pretty good. It does got brakes on the back. Right there. But definitely nice cart. Check them out. Affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. And you guys have a good weekend. Be safe. See you soon.